Hello, I've had quite a lot of queries lately from members who've been reformatting other people's pixel art, but when they've come to the end and all the questions and answers are correct, there's still some blank cells left, and they're just wondering how do you fill them in. So I thought I would make this tutorial to show you. Here is a Batman robbing a minion that I created that somebody is trying to change, and they've got all the questions answers here, all correct, but there's still these parts that are blank. So the way to do it, if I just make my screen a bit bigger. Okay, so if you click on any of the blank cells that are not coloured in, go to Format, Conditional Formatting, and the actual formula for the blank cell will come up. So open it up, and this one is for column H, row 67. So then you've got to go over and find that one. That's H59, H67. The answer is A. So all you do then, like you do with the rest of the changing the formulas, just do that, press done, like that. And as you can see, it is now all filled in. Sometimes there may be more than one, so all you do is go and click on another blank cell and do exactly the same. Okay, I hope you found that useful.